Mr. Pahad Memon, are you there? There's a...
Yes, sir.
Yeah. There's another applicant.
Yes, sir, sure.
Okay,
Should I
okay.
remove
Give me.
it?
Yeah. Give me because I have more 20 minutes. I have a work now.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir. Mr. Naga, please open your camera. Okay. Good afternoon.
Saan na yun? Okay. Madam Maranod, you need to talk this guy some question.
Sir?
Okay, Mr. Naga, how are you?
Sir, thank you, sir.
Can you please tell about yourself?
Sir?
Can you tell about yourself?
Sir, not
Can you tell about yourself?
okay, sir, okay, sir. My name is Nagavasa Babu Karidla, sir, son of Somaraju. Present, I am studying ITI. Apprentice, boiler attendant apprentice completed 2013 to 2016, 2.5 years. Present working from AVR OM service, electric and 14 TPS FDC boiler.
Okay, what types of boiler that you are operating now?
Sir,
What types of boiler that you are operating now?
FDC boiler, sir. Combo pack FDC boiler.
DC boiler.
Compression bed. Yes, sir.
DC boiler.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. FDC boiler.
Okay, how many tons?
14 TPS, sir. 14 tons.
14 tons per hour.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay, Mr. Naga, I have some question from you about boiler. Okay.
Okay, sir.
What is the responsibility of a boiler operator?
Monitoring the daily monitoring water fuel consumption, efficiency, safety interlocks.
No. Sorry, can I cut your answer? My question is, what is the responsibility of a boiler operator? What is the responsibility of a boiler operator? Right.
Any basic run sir. Running boilers,
Question is, what is the responsibility of a boiler operator? Give me your responsibility for being a boiler operator.
Daily monitoring the boiler equipment and safety interlocks, continuous running process, troubleshooting.
Okay, thank you so much. Okay, another question.
Safely running boiler, sir.
Okay, I'll leave that question. Another question. How do you determine the correct operating pressure for a boiler? How do you determine the correct operating pressure for a boiler?
The question not answer. Determine.
Did you know how to speak English?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
This is my question. How do you determine the correct operating pressure for a boiler as a boiler operator?
Pressure, sir.
Do you get my question? No. Do you understand or not?
No, sir. Not understand, sir.
How can I interview from you? Every time I question you, do you cannot understand?
Mr. Naga, did you understand the question or you don't speak English very well?
Yeah.
The question is not understand.
It's a very, very clear question because you're a boiler operator. This question is belong to boiler operator. How many years you have experience as a boiler operator?
10 years, sir.
10 years is too much. So this
Yes, sir.
this very easy question you don't know how to understand. Okay, leave that question. I give you another question. How do you troubleshoot a boiler problem? How do you troubleshoot a boiler problem?
Troubleshoot, sir.
Yes.
The troubleshooting handling, sir. Any problem, rotary feed, rotary trip, any problem, tube choking, tube, any pinhole is rectifying.
Question. How do you perform routine maintenance of a boiler? How do you perform routine maintenance of a boiler?
Routine maintenance, sir.
Yes, correct. Routine maintenance of a boiler. How do you perform?
Rotary feed, PL lines cleaning, feed pumps, feed pumps, section steiners cleaning.
Cleaning Cleaning for what? What cleaning? Sorry, can I cut you? What cleaning? You mentioned cleaning.
PL lines, sir. PL lines. Primary area lines, feeding lines, sir. Pole feeding lines.
You mentioned clean. There is a clean, but what type of clean? Clean is okay,
Sir?
but you mentioned
Okay,
clean. So what type of clean? Clean is okay. I got your answer. It's okay, but
Okay, sir.
what kind of clean? Clean for what?
Any rotary, any stones, any iron or metals. This type of drain and adding, sir.
No, that's mistake. You mentioned clean meaning Clean.
Iron particles and small.
this is about the corrosion. How do you treat boiler corrosion?
Corrosion, sir.
Corrosion. How do you treat boiler corrosion?
Chemical feeding properly instead means corroded, sir. Chemical properly adding the water.
Adding the water?
Properly not adding means corroded pipes and corroded, sir.
Adding the water, okay. Please, pardon, what is your answer?
Feed water, chemical properly not adding means corroded, sir.
Okay, next, what is the common problem in the boiler? The common problem. Common problem.
Common problem, sir.
Yeah.
How? Rotary feeder joint, sir. Daily common problem is rotary feeder problem, section steiners, problem water feeding time or section steiners, any job means water.
I did not get my question, Mr. Navas. Okay. The next, how do you fix corrosion? Because every boiler there is corrosion. Even in your boiler now, that one 100% there is corrosion. So how do you fix that one? How do you fix corrosion?
Corrosion remove, sir.
No, how do you fix corrosion? can understand. You know how to speak Arabic? I speak to Arabic, no problem. Thank you so much. Thank you. Because I have work now. I have meeting also 12 o'clock. Okay. Thank you so much, Mr. Naga. Thank you for your time. Okay.